Building a Power BI dashboard normally means hours of dragging, clicking, and configuring every single visual. We flip that script. ChatGPT draws it first, Claude Code builds it second. Here is the complete image to pbip pipeline in under 4 minutes. First, we open a fresh ChatGPT chat in the Edge browser. Type a prompt. Design a Power BI dashboard. Q1 sales performance. KPI cards top. Charts middle. A sortable product table bottom. Navy header bar. Teal accents. Clean Segoe UI typography. Press enter. ChatGPT spends about 60 seconds rendering the mockup. Result lands as a PNG. This is now our blueprint. No Figma, no designer, no review meeting. Image to dashboard pipeline officially starts here. Claude opens an empty pbip file in Power BI desktop. pbip stores everything as plain JSON and TMDL files on disk. Means we can edit it via command line. No clicking. Generate 1,500 rows of sample sales data. CSV with 8 columns. Dates, regions, products, customer IDs, statuses. One command pipes a Power Query M expression into pbi-cli. Sales table appears in the model. Partition created. Columns added one at a time, with proper types. Refresh full loads all 1,500 rows into memory. DAX measures come next. Total revenue, distinct customers, conversion rate, then the trend deltas. Last 30 days versus prior 30. Every measure verified with evaluate before any visual touches it. Now the report page, 1280 by 720 pixels. 3 KPI cards across the top in a clean grid. Each card binds to one measure via pbi-cli flags. Below the cards, a column chart breaks revenue by region. Next to it, a line chart tracks the monthly trend. Bottom of the page, a full-width table lists top products. Titles set via set container. Visual JSON updated automatically. Header bar appears via direct JSON edit. Text box visual type. Custom theme JSON written to the registered resources folder. Theme uses navy primary, teal accent, Segoe UI everywhere. Triple name match required. File base name, theme name, package item. Mismatch and Power BI silently falls back to default. Validate runs over 12 files, 0 errors. Done, 9 visuals on one page, one theme. Under 10 minutes, end-to-end, command line only. Reopen desktop. Click refresh. The dashboard renders. Real first builds always have rough edges. Here are the highlights. Horizontal bars instead of vertical. Visual type needs a column chart patch. Cards too small at 85 pixels. Minimum is 110. Table empty despite data ready. Projection rows need an active flag. Trend percentages invisible in legacy card. Converted to the new card visual. Close without save. Reopen, refresh. Disk wins, memory loses. Final result matches the original ChatGPT mockup. Pixel close. Native Power BI components throughout. No custom visuals, no plugins. Opens in any Power BI desktop instance, anywhere. Reproducible. Same prompts give the same dashboard, every time. Iteration cycles drop from hours to minutes. AI-driven BI is here. ChatGPT designs. Claude builds. Power BI serves. The future of dashboarding is one prompt deep. Link in the description for the full skill and the example project.